the Fluency Lab Podcast. Hosts, Ethan and Sophia. Episode, Rewiring Your Brain, How to Think and Speak in English Effortlessly. Hot Beverage Part 1, The Translation Trap and Rethinking Fluency. Ethan, hello everyone, and welcome to the Fluency Lab Podcast. Your step-by-step space for unlocking natural English speaking skills. I'm Ethan.
Sophia, and I'm Sophia. It's so exciting to be here with you all today. Ethan, let me throw a common problem at you. Why do so many English learners freeze upright in the middle of a sentence?
Oh, that's simple, Sophia. It's because they are trying to translate word for word in their heads.
Exactly. Most people hear an English word, convert it to their native language, create an answer, and then translate it back. That's like taking a 10-mile detour when you just need to cross the street.
That extra delay drains your confidence. But today, we're sharing 3 practical steps to train your brain to bypass translation and speak directly in English. Brain Part 2, 3 Simple Brain Training Habits. Clipboard Brain Training Habits. 1. Naming objects. 2. Sentence chunks. 3. Narrative self.
Let's walk through these 3 powerful daily habits together. Habit 1. Name what you see, single words first.
Don't pressure yourself to think in huge, complex sentences right away. Start with single items around you.
When you look at your table, say laptop, desk, coffee mug. By linking the object directly to the English word, you remove your native language from the loop.
Habit 2. Learn sentence chunks, not grammar rules. Ethan, native speakers rarely build sentences word by word from scratch. We use pre-made phrases called chunks.
Instead of memorizing isolated words, practice natural phrases like, to be honest with you, it turns out that, or I'm about to. Your brain retrieves the whole phrase in a split second.
Habit 3. Narrative self-talk, talk to yourself. Ethan, this is a total game changer. When you are alone cooking, cleaning, or driving, describe what you are doing in English inside your head.
For example, all right, now I'm making tea. Where is the spoon? It builds confidence because there is zero risk of judgment from anyone.
Part 3. Pronunciation Hack, the Shadowing Technique. Ethan, Sophia, once you start thinking in English, how do you train your vocal muscles to sound natural and smooth?
My favorite method for that is the shadowing technique.
Shadowing is simple. You listen to a short audio clip of a native speaker, and you repeat their words at the exact same time, copying their rhythm, speed, and intonation like a shadow.
It builds muscle memory in your tongue and lips so you don't stumble when speaking real conversations.
Conclusion and today's lab challenge. Ethan, that technique will transform your pronunciation if you practice it just 5 minutes a day.
That brings us to the end of today's episode of the Fluency Lab.
Before you go, here's your challenge in the comments section below. Look around your room right now and write down 3 things you see in a simple English sentence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Ethan, train your brain every day, stay patient, and enjoy the process.
Sophia.
Bye. Bye.
Everyone. See you in the next episode.